He's so cute. Hi, kitty. He's like looking at you, Mickey. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're heading to PetSmart. We are hoping to get a pet today, so come with us. All these different color fish.
Are we gonna get these ones? I'm getting.
They're called betta fish.
Betta fish?
Look at this one here. Wiggle wiggle, he's so cute. Blessing, are you gonna get a fish? We have all these fish decorations. This is scary.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, there's no fish there?
Mommy,
Hmm?
I know.
That's the filter making that sound. Looks like a dragon in this one.
Mommy!
What? Huh?
Mom, so many fish there.
I see it.
Oh, you
Oh, this one is so fat. It's so big.
can't even move to get the food.
Yeah.
Oh, we got fire. Mommy, I just know the perfect Friday zebra out here.
Where?
Right there. Yo, grab him, bro. Hey, grab him. What do you think? It's Marshall.
Yeah, I like how this blows up in the tank.
Yeah, we should buy a glow for. Is it?
Even the turtle glows up.
Mommy, come.
Huh? Oh, this is the Halloween one.
Yeah, this is Halloween.
Oh, there's a witch. Oh, look, the cat is awake, Mickey. Mickey, Michaela, come see the cat.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he's almost like he's so close to you, Mickey. He's so cute. Hi, kitty.
Is it please not tap on it? Do not tap on
He's like looking at you, Mickey. Ooh. Oh, he's so cute.
What is he eating in his mouth?
He's looking for his food.
Mommy, I can't see. His food
You can't
is-
see? Mickey, can you see now?
He's looking for.
What is he doing?
Oh, he gets some food. He eats.
He's hungry.
Thirsty.
Yeah.
But sleepy. Hamsters, they're nocturnal. That means that they sleep during the day. There's another one there over there. Yeah, that's a guinea pig. That's a big one. This is where we got Jamaica over there.
Yeah.
And we got the melon.
He's so cute.
They're so cute, Mommy. They're so neat. They're going to eat.
Blessing, you want a bird?
No.
You want a bird, Blessing? Okay, Blessing wants a bird.
Doesn't want to sit.
He's coming out. He's right there. Oh, Joe, don't block me. Don't block me, Joe. Look at the lizard, Joe. He's so cool.
Mommy,
Mickey,
guess
can you
what?
see, Mickey?
Oh, we got another lizard over here.
Mickey, look. The lizard is moving. You see him?
Mommy, look.
I see. Look, one more is coming out. Oh, over here, Joe. Over here.
These are baby lizards. One's sleeping over in this corner.
Look at this one.
Whoa, he's in a big old. What? How is he?
So
I'm picking a home for him.
you're picking the turtle?
For his home?
No, we're gonna buy the turtle today. Are you getting the turtle?
Nah.
So guys, this is our tank, and I just washed it, and I'm filling it up with water. So we have like a filter here, guys. So I'm gonna plug the filter in. Okay, and I'm gonna fill it up with some water. put the lid on. Okay. So the filter is going now. Okay. So the filter is working. And the filter has this little thing on top here. It's blue right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. And whenever it needs to be changed, it will turn to red. Okay. So no fish in the tank yet. Just getting the tank going and the filter going. So guys, we went to the store and we got 2 decorations. So this is one, and Jojo got a shark. And yeah, we got some sand, colorful sand. So they told us that we're not able to get any fish until 2 weeks time. So our tank needs to build some bacteria and stuff like that, or else the fish will die. So we're just setting up until they come for other fish. Okay. Whoa. Yeah. Careful, Joe. Oh my goodness.
What a splash.
What a big splash, yeah.
Whoa.
Ah, that looks so good already. Okay, Mickey, your turn. Careful. Are you able to do it, Mickey?
Yeah.
Good job.
Wow.
All right, good.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this one's big.
Put your decoration in, Mickey. Put it in. Uh-oh, Blessing is crying. Where are you gonna put the shark?
It's a safety corner always. Mexico. Whoa.
This is all our decoration and everything, guys. And now it's just time for us to wait 2 weeks and then our fish will arrive. So guys, I just picked the kids up from school and now we're gonna head into PetSmart, right guys? Ready? Okay. Okay guys, so we just got our fish and now we're gonna go home and set up our tank, right guys?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We have our fish and they're here. The bag is leaking, so we put a little band-aid on it because the fish, he said the fish has to go in the water in the bag for 20 minutes before we can let the fish out. So that is like to get the temperature of the water in the bag to be the same as the temperature in the tank. Okay, because we don't want to kill our fish. So we got fish food, which we should feed the fish once per day, and we got a light because the tank doesn't have a light, and this changes color. So we're gonna set it up now. So this is our light.
What is called? We haven't opened it. Oh yeah, there's a charger.
We can like, it has a bit of suction here. So
I thought you were not sleeping. Mom, there's a light there.
yeah. Oh, there.
Oh my God, Ronnie. Oh, put it back, put it back, put it back. Oh, why did it throw it in the group? There's the color. Mom, why don't let the fish out?
Huh?
Why you don't let the fish
It's
out?
not time yet. We have to time it, okay? That's why.
Oh,
So let's see what the light is looking like on our fish. Oh, that's so cool, guys.
It's pink, Mommy.
Yeah. It looks so nice. It changes color, yeah. It's beautiful. So we have to turn the light off at night so that they get some rest. Yeah.
Wait. Shake movies, Mickey. Wait. Blue. Mickey, you know me? Yeah. Oh, purple. Purple, come out.
Okay, guys, it's been like 40 minutes, so now we want to release our fish.
Yeah, do it. Well, ouch. Can I cut it? I'll open it. See your fish?
Okay, Mickey, let's see. Where did our fish go? Oh, there's Blessing fish with like the tiger tail. Wow. And there's Mickey fish right there where the shark is. Get away from there. Don't let the shark get to you, dude. Joe, I don't see your fish. Where is he? Hiding somewhere in the back?
Well, yes, correct. He's hiding behind the purple plant.
Okay.
I think he's shy. Why not by shy eye?
You like the fish, Blessing? Blessing, you like the fish?
My fish is so
You
shy.
like the fish, Blessing?
My fish is hiding behind the purple plant.
The fish food looks like that. Okay, Joe, you want to put the food in? So you just feed them once a day. Put it? Okay, good. Yeah, so they got some food. That's good. So what are you going to name your fish, Joe?
My fish?
Uh-huh. What are you going to name him?
Mute.
Mute?
Yeah.
Mute or newt?
M.
Mute?
Okay, I'll just type city.
City?
Yeah.
Okay, so your fish is City. Mickey, what are you going to name your fish?
Oh!
What is the name of your fish, Mickey?
And then it's a fish.
Okay. Mickey said her fish is just a fish. What are you going to name your fish? BB? Are you going to name him BB? Oh, he got it, eh? They're eating. Good. Oh, look at them. They're finding the food. Oh, he got it. He's good. He's very good.
And my fish is a boy.
Okay.
Oh, he's like the oldest in the fish.
Hi, City. See, he's getting it. He comes up and he eats it.
Yeah, he guess what? He's in the tank now.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I think he's the oldest.
Okay. Yeah, he's the biggest.
I think. Oh, this is like he's eating like a family. So I'm the brother. That's baby and that's sister.
That's right.
So I'm the rule of this house.
Oh, yeah.
He caught it. And he just got that thing in 4K.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.